What we doing, Mason?
We about to make this car, putting out bags.
We're finna load this, but first I just got my work. But first we're gonna go to the tool shop. Damn, it's windy. My bad. We're finna go to the tool place or whatever. You feel me?
Y'all probably seen the wheels. We filmed that a little bit.
Yeah. This will be in the video before. Anyways, so yeah, we'll see y'all there. Where we going, Mason?
Turn right on Fry Road. Oh.
Okay, we're going to Fry.
Harbor Freight, but way nicer.
Harbor Freight's not cool.
Don't mess with Harbor.
I love Harbor Freight. Anyway, so we're going to whatever he said.
It's called Northern.
So we can work on this nigga's car, bro.
Lowering Mason's car. So
I don't even know if we'll get started today, to be honest.
Fuck it.
I don't know how much time. Oh, so we got the spring clamps, you know, like that, not the flaps. We ran into an issue though. I got a family function I gotta be at.
you don't have to.
Timing. I should go to it.
But you could very easily skip and do a spring. So I'm just saying.
So I was already having them planned on working it while I go to the family function, but hey, traffic here in Houston is bad. Usually not that bad, but it's bad right now. So they'll probably come over, do that shit in a couple hours. Take it back, work on it a little bit tonight. We'll finish it up tomorrow. See y'all then.
You're just supposed to tap it, not smack the. Hey. We made it after a smack nap, and Mason's finished with his dinner. So yeah. Now we gotta jack the car. So. Hey, you can't get in the car. You can get banned.
Time like 40. It's non-addictive nicotine. Trying to quit.
No, it's the magic trick.
Wait, bro, you probably some the Grisa? I mean,
The WD-40?
yeah. Cause you've probably never been undone, bro.
Yeah, you're the first person to do this. True. Since 2011. Forever in the cars. Yeah.
How do we do it?
Well, Mason, there's only one more thing to try. The smaller one. Where's the thing at?
That nigga man just want to try out the gun real quick.
Oh god, yeah.
Once you get it, then I'm definitely gonna crash it.
Not fitting.
You gotta. There we go.
Shit usually clicks. Let's see it. This shit not even gonna move like Mason's.
It's just gonna click. It's gonna do what my second one did.
It definitely did move. But I mean,
No, it was moving.
it was.
Mason's the wrong size, dude.
It's 15.
No, this is a 16.
Oh shit.
Look.
See,
When I saw it moving, it was just flipping me. I'm shit not gonna move it off. Well.
oh man.
Yeah, go for it. Damn!
It's gonna get lower too.
Yeah, once it settles in. Now there is still a gap, but that is way lower than before.
That shit-
That is way lower than before.
Guys, I'm not kidding.
Oh, look at the front. Yeah.
Before. I mean, even then, the front was always lower than the back.
But dude, he's
now
leaning,
it's even crazier.
He's leaning like a motherfucker right now.
Your shit squatted. Ew, you're gay.
Damn, look at that camera, bro.
No, look at the roof. Like, Like this is way lower. You know what we had to
Oh
do?
god, your shit squatted.
To do the wrap, we had to fucking reach over the hood and shit.
Bro, I look like some.
You know?
It is a lot.
If it could have hit someone in the eye, might have took out your eye, but
Fernando would have been gone.
it honestly could have hit Edwin.
Fernando.
Now,
I
anyway.
said Fernando.
Racist.
Bro, I saw
Something was
Fernando.
in the-
You ready?
Moment of truth.
Moment of truth right here. Hopefully we did them right. We always do, don't we? No, okay. All right. Hold the pin. Fuck you. All right, drop it. Don't break the car, dude. Woo.
Earlier, Matt?
Yeah.
This shit was bouncing.
Now, there's still a gap there, but there's a lot better than the. So it is. This is wrong. Today's Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Yeah. Today is Wednesday. This phone's wrong. Mason just put his springs on like 3 days ago, right? And we're going to a meet right now, and he's not taking his car. But whatever. Anyway, thank you for watching. Really don't do outros like that. Like, subscribe, and 10 likes, and we'll buy an E90 and let's walk it.
Bullets give them check-ups. It ain't no love story. Put the bitch on a Maury. So I can find me like Dory. She won't be in the door.